Okay, so we're going to take a look at example 4, how to calculate the standard deviation by hand. This question is from your practice worksheet that I uploaded. It is the standard deviation with data in a frequency table, question number 6. So we surveyed several supermarkets to determine how many brands of cat food each carried. The results were, and then here is our data down below. So we have a total of 28 data values. So the first thing we're going to do is put the data into a frequency table. So I'm going to start with my brands, and I'm going to call this X sub I, just because the number of brands that we have is going to change. And then I'm going to have my frequency, which I'm going to have as lowercase f. And so when I do this, the number of brands that I have starts with 6 and increases up to 12. Okay? And then I'm just going to record out of these 28 how many times each number of brands occurred. So 6 occurred 4 times, 7 occurred 4 times, 8 occurred 1 time, 9 occurred 3, 10 was 5, 11 was 4, and 12 was 7. Okay? So then if I check this with my sum here, I'm going to get 28. So I know I'm in a good spot. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to want to calculate the mean of this. So I'm going to take each xi and multiply it by my frequency. Okay? So what this is that this is going to be 6 times 4, which is 24. Then I'm going to have 7 times 4, which is 28. 8 times 1, which is 8. 9 times 3, which is 27. 50, 44, and 84. I'm going to sum this all again, and I'm going to end up with 265. Okay, so then my mean is going to be this column here over the total sum of the frequency column. So I'm going to have 265 divided by 28, which is going to give me 9.46. Okay? So then I'm going to want to start to find my standard deviation. Okay? So here's the mean. So then to find the standard deviation, I'm going to want to calculate my standard deviation. Okay. By finding 2 different values. So one is going to be xi minus our mean, and then I'm going to want to find this value. Okay? So to do that, what we're going to do is continue with this part in the next video.